Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A13 for AT&T Prepaid. So this is the new Galaxy A13. This one does not have 5G on it. This one only has 4G. So do keep that in mind if you guys want the Galaxy A13 with 5G. AT&T Prepaid does offer that one for a bit more. But if you guys don't really care about the 5G, which I don't know why you guys would not want 5G anyway, because 5G is newer and faster. But if you guys are just looking for like a backup phone or whatever, the Galaxy A13 is the one to check out here. This one does have 4G on it. There is no 5G on this model here, so do keep that in mind. So it's available now in black. It's $94.99 for 32 gigabytes of storage. If you guys know what the Galaxy A13 5G looks like, it's pretty much the same form factor, the same everything, except for this one has slightly lesser specs, and it has a 4G only on this model here. So there's your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there, earpiece above that, power and volume kits on the right side of the phone there, and there's your wallpaper there. So it says here designed with practicality in mind. The awesome Galaxy A13 gives you everything you need and nothing you don't to stay connected. So here are some images of the Galaxy A13. Like I said, if you guys know what the Galaxy A13 5G looks like, it's pretty much the same phone, except for this one does not have 5G on board. So that's the front and back there. That's the front there. There's the back. You guys do have 4 cameras. You got 3 cameras here, and the camera here, and the flash there. Your micro SD card and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone there. Very nice looking phone. So yeah, I think you do get fingerprint sensor, but I think it's your power button that is also your fingerprint sensor, I believe. So pretty cool there. So I think the power button is a little indented, so your power button is your fingerprint sensor, so that's why it's a bit dented into the phone. So yeah, there's the back and all that. Right side, like I said, power button, volume keys. Your fingerprint sensor is your power button. So, and there it is, front and back. Has a 6.6 inch Full HD plus display, Infinity V display. Sadly, it's only 60 hertz though, so kind of disappointing on that. If it was 90 hertz, it would have been pretty good, but it's only 60 hertz, guys. So do keep it in mind. You do get 4 cameras on the rear, 50 megapixel, 5. You get a 50 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 2 megapixel cameras on the rear. And you get 8 megapixel front facing camera as well. I think you get a macro lens, a depth sensor, and an ultra wide lens on the back. I think the 5 megapixel camera is your ultra wide lens too, and then then the other 2 cameras are the 2 megapixel ones that are a macro lens and a depth sensor. You do get 32 gigabytes of storage, up to 1 terabyte via micro SD, 5000 mAh battery with fast charging capable. So pretty nice. Dimensions on the Galaxy A13: 6.50 inches height, 3.1 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. The Galaxy A13 weighs 6.87 ounces. Display size, like I said, 6.6 inches, Full HD plus Infinity V display, which is a 60 hertz refresh rate. So your standard refresh rate there, so nothing special about that. 1080 by 2408 pixels resolution, pretty interesting pixel resolution there. 16 million colors. Like I said, you do get 4 cameras on the back at 50 megapixel. Which is your main camera with the f1.8 aperture lens, 5 megapixel ultra wide with the f2.2, 2 megapixel macro with the f2.4, 2 megapixel depth camera with the f2.4, video capture 1080 at 30 frames per second. Video playback 1080 at 30 frames. 8 megapixel front-facing camera with f2.0 aperture lens on the front. You do get shooting options include deco pic. I'm not sure what the fuck that is. Food, macro, panorama, photo, portrait, pro, video. Battery is a 5,000 mAh battery. It's not removable. That's pretty much standard now. 35 hours of talk time. For 16.3 days of standby time. Up to 66 hours of audio playback on the speaker. And 96 hours of audio playback on the headset, like Bluetooth or whatever. It is fast charging capable, so it's very nice. Time to charge to 50% is 56 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 143 minutes. So that's about about almost 3 hours, I guess. It has a Nacho Exynos processor 850 octa-core. So it does have an Exynos chip in there. 32 gigabytes of internal storage, 1 terabyte of expandable storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, Android 12 on board with One UI 4.0. I believe that's the One UI version for Android 12. It does have the latest and greatest right now. So yeah, it does have 4G LTE. There is no 5G on board on this one. If you guys want a 5G Galaxy A13, you guys will have to get it for a bit more on. So you do get 4G on this one. There is no 5G on this one, like I said. If you want the 5G version, there will be a bit more. It's a roll phone, which is a quad band, HD voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video. Wi-Fi connectivity is 802.11 ABGN and ACINR. Dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, low energy, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card. Your essentials are accelerometer, barometer, e-compass, and fingerprint. Your fingerprint sensor is your power button. Messaging and email there. Music is YouTube Music. There's your supported music formats. Accessibility, sustainability there. Product details and stuff like that. What comes in the box is your quick start guide, your USB-C cable, SIM card, and SIM card ejection pin. I don't think it comes with a charging brick. I don't think it does. So you guys will have to have one if you guys will have to buy one if you guys don't have one. So yeah. So there you guys have it. There's the Samsung Galaxy A13 on AT&T prepaid. It's available now for $94.99. This is the 4G version. This is not the 5G version. So make sure that you guys choose which one. Make sure that you guys choose the correct one. If you guys want the 5G version, it'll be a bit more than this one. If you guys don't really care about the 5G or whatever, but you guys do like the design of the phone, this one is for you. But I don't know why you guys would not want 5G, because 5G is faster and newer. So yeah, so Samsung has two Galaxy A13 phones on the AT&T prepaid. This one is 4G. The other one does have 5G. So if you guys want the 5G version, it will have 5G listed. So you guys should not really get confused about that. So the A13 does not. This one does not have 5G listed nowhere. So if you guys want the 5G version, it'll say Galaxy A13 5G. So make sure that you guys get that one if you guys want 5G. So yeah. So there you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy A13. This one is the 4G version on AT&T prepaid. Available now for $94.99. So this would be a great backup phone or whatever. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.